Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a video surveillance installer. Recently, I received a difficult monitoring project for a safe town. It requires multiple video monitoring points with an average distance of 1.8 kilometers and no pre-embedded optical fiber around the town. In the end, all video data must be converged in a data center, which is such a headache to achieve. Let's see. There are two options: wired transmission and wireless transmission. Wired transmission requires complicated processes such as line survey, pipeline excavation, fiber laying, installation, and configuration, demanding a large amount of money, time, and manpower. Wireless transmission needs line survey in order to seek high locations, installation, and configuration. It can be completed in 2 days with a very short project cycle, greatly saving construction costs. Wireless solution is obviously better than wired solution. You may have many questions, such as whether wireless transmission can overcome harsh outdoor environment, is the transmission safe or not, etc. Wireless transmission bandwidth offers 1G and 300 M options, both well above the bandwidth requirements of ordinary cameras. The video point-to-point transmission can reach up to 20 kilometers. If you encounter visual occlusions in buildings, use back-to-back relay method to solve this problem. Wireless also has hidden SSID, WPA2 encryption function, and double information protection. It is also waterproof and lightning resistant with -30 to approximately 70 degrees Celsius wide operation temperature design. Okay, wireless solution is the best option. In the beginning of construction, the Dahua CPE series is adopted to connect cameras and arrange front-end monitoring points. The Dahua Outdoor Base Station series is used as data center point to converge data from every front-end monitoring point. Dahua's whole series of wireless products have been released. For more information, please visit Dahua's official website.